Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi, my name is Tina. If this is your first time stopping by, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I do hair videos. I test weird internet videos I see online. I create hair videos. I also do some crafts, and I'm recently getting into sewing, so I hope that I could be able to upload worthy sewing tutorials for you guys. With that said, please, if this is your first time, please welcome to the family. Hit the subscribe button. I love every one of my subscribers, and that's basically it. So thank you guys, and let's get into the video. So today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing, and then I'm going to talk about how I got monetized. Not really how I got monetized, but the day it happened, my reaction and everything that happened that day, the period I got monetized, the excitement and everything. So that's what I'm going to be talking about today. Okay, vibe check. How are we doing today? How is your day? How is your life right now? I know that some of you are still in the quarantine. I don't know the pronunciation. Some of you are still in the quarantine, and in my country we basically left quarantine like months ago. And the reason why I haven't been uploading is because I have school, I have exams going on right now. I am doing my final exam so that I could graduate and get a gender studies / law degree. So today's video, the start of the video is going to be this softbox. I tried doing a live video, but the lighting was bad, the connection, it took like, I slept and then I left my internet on so that it could upload, but it didn't want to upload. So I was like, yep, God called the shots, and he said he didn't like this video for my YouTube. So I was like, alright, I have to redo it. So basically it's a duffel bag. When you open it, this is what it looks like. First thing I'm going to show you is this. Obviously my excitement wasn't like the first video, but again I'm still excited because I wanted a softbox from like the first time I ever discovered there was something like uploading on YouTube. So I've come a long way from using bulbs hanging up and down in my room to actually owning a ring light, which I'm using now, and then a softbox. And also I want to shout out to my friend Perez, because he like sent me some of the money as a birthday gift to buy myself something, and I was like, you know what, I am definitely going to get a softbox. So hi, thank you Perez. Okay, so it comes up like that, so I'm just undoing it. And wait, okay, so because I'm sitting down and it's quite low, I'm going to leave it at this length. Wait, I'm going to put it on the floor, and then I'm going to try my best to just put it up. I think it's very self-explanatory what I'm doing, so I will try to just talk about the monetization thing right now as I am doing this. So sorry if I have breaks in the middle. Okay, so this is what I was talking about. So the day I got monetized, I don't know if it was on a Saturday or what, but I remember that on Thursday I went to school to write. I was having criminal procedure that day, so I went to school to write my exams as usual, and then it got cancelled because I had the wrong timetable. And then as I was leaving school, that is when, because like the night before when I went to bed, I think I was left with 20 hours for my videos to be viewed, and then I could get monetized. So I and my friend Busty were talking the whole time, and I was like, yeah, I cannot wait, because it was really annoying. Because today you see, oh, because you know that they do cut your videos like per day, right? Like from the, what day is it, from the 1st of August today to the 1st of August last year. So any views you had, let's say last year on the 31st of July last year, they are going to scrap it from your watch time. So alright, so this is the big thingy. I forgot to show you how it comes. It comes in like a bag. God, I'm so bad at this unboxing thing. But I'm going to try and connect it to this by twining it. What am I doing? By twining this. Okay, so it kept on going high and low, and it was really annoying because every day I was like, I must be monetized by July. I don't even care. I don't even want to do anything. I don't care if I'm stressed up or what. I have to be. It's like it's in the constitution that I have to be monetized by the 31st of July. So when I got the email, I was really excited. And then that day I had to go to like the doctor to check my eyes because I wasn't seeing properly. So why is this thing wasn't like this the first time I did this. Okay, wait, something has changed. What has changed? Okay, give me a second please. So I'm trying to tighten the softbox so that it can have the way I want it to be. Alright, okay, alright, found the thing that has changed. It was this tiny thing at the back here. So I went to the doctor and turns out I'm visually impaired on one side of my eye. So if you see me with glasses in the future, just know that that's what's up. Alright, so that was basically it for that day. I was on my phone and the YouTube studio was showing me that it was 4,000 hours. I was really excited, but when I came back to the house, my laptop was showing me something else. So I was just like, YouTube, I'm tired of you. I'm tired, like, go ahead and monetize me already. So this is what it looks like inside as a normal softbox. So so I kept going back and forth with my friend, but the bulb, I kept going back and forth, and then I just left it. So the weekend came, I went to Douala for a party. Douala is like another town, so I traveled out of town for a party and then to get some craft items, because where I stay is a small town and they don't really have many interesting craft items. So I always go to Douala. Douala has like everything to buy my craft items, because after exams I have plans of doing many more videos. So I am just fitting the bobbin. If you've ever fit like before, you know. So it's just a simple twisting process. So after like the whole thing, my softbox is separate. Let's put them like that. So after the whole thing, I remember I was in Douala, I was on a bike, and I was kind of frustrated because I had to look for where after the party I planned to stay at my friend's place, but she wasn't picking or anything, so I had to go look for somewhere else to stay the night. This thing is too tall. I'm going to bring it down so that I can wear the body. This is the is it diffuser? So you're just going to wear it like a dress and then snap it at these velcro straps here. The four corners of the softbox, so it's pretty secured. Anywho's is, so yeah, I remember I was on a bike, and then that's when like I got the notification from YouTube. I was like, ha! I could not breathe, like I was just there like and then I'm sure the bike man was like, I said, now wait till they do the one. Now obviously he'll be French, so I don't know the French exclamation for are you mad? Qu'est-ce qui s'est passé malade? No, qu'est-ce qui s'est passé for? I think that's the French one. Qu'est-ce qui s'est passé? What's mad in French? I don't know what mad is in French. So this is our baby. I'm going to get a diffuser, a light diffuser after this, because I'm really getting into cinematography lately. So I'm going to get a diffuser. Anyways, this, so I got the mail and then I was just like, yeah. So that first time, like that day when I came home, I just signed up for AdSense, linked it to my account and everything. So YouTube basically just told me that I see you already have linked an AdSense account. Now we're going to review your channel. And then I was reading online like how long it takes to be reviewed, and then people were like it takes up to a month. And then again, because of COVID-19, there were so many channels just everywhere. A lot of people started their channels during this COVID-19 period. So I was just like, oh well, I don't mind. The gist is I just wanted to get to 4,000, because getting to the 4,000 was like the most difficult. It wasn't really difficult because at the end I became consistent and it was quite easy, but it's just nerve-wracking, especially when you upload videos and people don't view and everything. So I was just like, God, I cannot do this anymore, like save me from this stress. So yeah, so that was basically it that day. I was super excited. And then I think it was on a Monday. I guess it was on Monday, because I remember I wasn't doing anything. It was Ghost Town Game Boy, so I was still in Douala, and also because offices were closed on the day I went to Douala late on Saturday, so offices were closed. So on Monday I went and did my errands, looked around for the things I needed, found some of them, and then I randomly, out of nowhere, what am I even saying, like on Monday morning when I woke up, YouTube sent the email. They were like, Pam, your channel has been reviewed, you can now go ahead and monetize your videos. If you want to if you want to see how the process goes, do this check a guide to see what videos you can monetize and what videos you cannot monetize. Be careful, don't hurt your viewers, don't lie to people, don't be an idiot. I laughed at that part, it was really funny. But I was like, I was super excited. I was just like, I was super excited. As of the moment, I have $3 in my YouTube. I have $3 in my YouTube account, and every time I'm gonna refresh my studio to try and see what's going on. But again, I'm not mad. I'm just like, so that was basically my reaction to the whole thing. It was mad. So I went ahead and I said it. I was just really excited. I haven't even posted like on Snapchat. I did post on Twitter. Yeah, I sent out tweets that day because I was just like, psh, psh, psh. And then I haven't posted on Instagram. I don't know, Instagram is like a whole different thing where you need to have some kind of other energy, and then you go to like Instagram and post or whatnot. But at the moment I don't have that kind of energy, so I'm not posting on Instagram yet. I'm taking a break from Instagram. So moving on, I was super excited. I could only monetize videos on my phone, so probably that's why you don't have mid video ads. But if you see ads at the beginning and ads at the end, please watch, because I don't want to like bombard you guys with ads in the middle of the videos. But I will do that anyways. Like when I get my laptop is bad at the moment, so when I do get my laptop and I get sorted out with school and everything, because I still have the criminal procedure to write. So when I do get started out of school and everything, I will upload daily for you guys. And then also I'm going to do a giveaway. I know that I believe in giveaway culture, like celebrate with those who celebrate with you. So if something good happens to me, I want to be able to share it with you guys. So right now I'm kind of like trying to see what giveaways I should do and how I can incorporate them into my videos. And that's basically the tea with this whole thing. So I'm pretty excited. I'm pretty like happy that I got monetized, and I don't even know what to say. Like it was one of my goals for this year to get monetized, and I'm looking at my my vision board, and where's the get monetized? There's supposed to be like cash hanging somewhere. Anyways, I'm looking at my vision board. It's like above my reading table. Oh yeah, I'm seeing it, piggy bank. So yeah, I'm looking at the vision board. I did a video where I put my goals I wanted. I haven't reached 10,000 subscribers yet, because I was like what I was going for this year. But the rate at which you guys have been subscribing to my channel, because like every day I check my distance, and every day when I come I see like 10 new subscribers. I think I recently got to 2,000 subscribers. Thank you guys for that, by the way. You guys are amazing. I'm trying to find out what videos actually brought more subscribers, because like I haven't even been posting, but yet you guys are like subscribing. So I'm trying to find what actual video got it, so that I could go ahead and keep filming those videos for you guys to like improve the videos and everything. But till then, I'm just super excited. Like I cannot even wrap my head around the fact that I am a YouTube partner, and it's just one of the most exciting things that has happened to me this year. I don't know, my year has just been meh, so this was like one of the highlights of my year. I pray that from now on things like go better for me and everything. But yeah, so that's basically the gist. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to connect this thing to current, so that I can light it, and then we see how it lights, how it changes, because my videos are going to be lit. You're not going to be seeing the whole grainy. Is it grainy? It's not grainy. Next up, I want to get myself a camera. I don't know which I want first, between a new laptop and a camera, one of the above. But I'm going to get myself one of the above in the future, hopefully before this year ends, when I'm done with school and everything. So that's basically it for this video. Thank you guys very much for subscribing to my channel. I love you guys. You guys are the absolutely best. So I'm going ahead right now to go and connect. I'm back. So it's connected. Does the lighting look any different? I don't know how my small room is going to contain a softbox, a ring light, and a sewing machine. Okay, I do look different though. So from now on, I feel like my ring light is going to be here, my softbox is going to be here, my ring light is going to be here, and then I will start filming with my tripod. You know how ring lights come with those adapted things, so I film with my ring light mostly. But now that I have, like, I'm trying to balance out the light, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to film with my tripod so that I can get more light. And I'm just really excited for videos I have planned to upload. So as always, I love you guys. And if I'm whispering, it's because it's very early in the morning and people are still sleeping. I don't want to wake people up. I don't want people to know that I'm up so that they barge into my room and distract me, because my auntie was distracting me the whole time I was on live. I don't know if you caught that, but either ways, thank you guys for everything. Please share with your friends. Details of the soft box are going to be down in the description box. Please subscribe if this is your first time stopping by. I need the subscribers. And also please watch the videos. Like, I'll throw hands if you don't watch my videos. So that's basically it for this video. Again, I'm sure that I have said it like 1,000 times in this video. I genuinely don't feel this way about you guys. I love all of you guys, my subscribers. So now I'm going to go ahead and see if I can edit this video and then have a life and do errands, because I have a lot of errands today. I have to actually go to Douala today. That's why I was even up very early in the first place. But that's it. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please. I feel like there's something I should be saying that I've forgotten. I always forget shit. That's why I always write things down before I say or do. But I don't know. You know what? I'm going to meet you guys in the comment section, or I'll write on my community if there's anything I forgot to talk about in this video. The monetization process in Cameroon is way different, so if that's something that you want to know, meet me on any of my socials. I will talk to you. I'm basically online all the time. If I'm not online, then I'm sleeping. So yeah, meet me on my socials. I'll talk to you guys. I'll walk you through it. And then also you can go and see at Judithas at JD Speaks. You can talk to Juditha at JD Speaks, or you can talk to Kenna at Kenna Kea. So those are the channels. And also there's Displore Emma. He's like one of the first people that really became popular on YouTube monetization or what. There's a whole support group if you're a Cameroon YouTuber, so you should follow Cameroon YouTubers on Instagram, and then you should talk to Lala. She's the group admin. They're going to, it's basically like a support group. They're going to help you out a lot. So that's basically it for this video. I'm going to link the channels and the people I called here so that I can go ahead, and because I still have questions and I still go to them and I still ask them. So at the end of the day, we're just learning every day. Now my eyebrows are just distracting me. Okay, that's it. Bye.